Hello friends, in this video lecture we will see hybrid topology, types of hybrid topology, its merits and demerits. Here what is hybrid topology? Hybrid topology is basically integration of two or more topologies. And what type of topologies we have seen earlier? Bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology and tree topology. Whenever there is a combination of bus topology with star topology, that can be considered as hybrid topology. If there is combination of star topology, ring topology or mesh topology, that is also known as hybrid topology. Means hybrid topology is a topology where we integrate features of two or more topologies, and this hybrid topology is basically useful when you have to include variety of network topologies, that is combination of two or more network topologies like bus, star, ring, mesh and tree topology. This hybrid topology is able to configure different network topologies. Means if bus topology and star topology forms hybrid topology, in that case that hybrid topology is able to configure both bus topology and the star topology. Means the node which is there in bus topology is able to send data to the node which is there in the star topology. So this hybrid topology is having ability to configure different network topologies. And the development of this hybrid topology totally depends on the nature of tasks you have to perform. On the basis of the task, you can deploy type of hybrid topology, and in which area or in which sector you are actually going to deploy that hybrid topology. And here in this hybrid topology, flow of data is either unidirectional or bidirectional. Unidirectional means one-way communication, that is sender sends data and receiver receives data. And bidirectional means sender sends data, receiver receives data, and a receiver can also send data, sender can also receive data, either at the same time or at different time. That is known as bidirectional flow of data or two-way communication, we can say. So this hybrid topology is having ability to transfer data between different kinds of devices and network. You are having Ethernet bus topology and you connect Wi-Fi router there on that bus topology, so that router transmit data logically, that is wireless communication, and Ethernet bus is there, that bus uses wired connection. Means two different connections can be easily formed here in hybrid topology. As I have told you, this hybrid topology uses both physical and the logical transmission of data, that is wired and the wireless transmission. Where this hybrid topology is used, this hybrid topology is very efficient. That's why it is widely used in many public or private organizations, banking sectors, educational institutions, and many more organizations where there is need of efficiency. Here some popular types of hybrid topologies. First one is the Star Ring Hybrid Topology. You can see here this ring topology allows two or more star topologies. With the help of ring topology, we can connect two or more star topology. Means here with the help of ring topology, we can connect two or more star topologies. So this type of hybrid topology is known as Star Ring Hybrid Topology. Here in this Star Ring Hybrid Topology, flow of data is either unidirectional or the bidirectional. The next type is the Star Bus Hybrid Topology. Here in Star Bus Hybrid Topology, two star topologies can be connected through bus topology. Means this bus topology allows two or more star topology as part of this hybrid topology. Here in this star bus hybrid topology, two star topologies are connected to bus topology with the help of wire. Third one is the tree network topology, which is also known as hierarchical network topology. In this hybrid topology, there is a proper hierarchy. The node which is there at the top is basically known as root node or the parent node, and the node below that root node are known as subnodes or the children of the node. This is basically root node, and this node is child node. This one is also child node. This one is also child node, and below that again there are subnodes. So this node, which is root node, is having level 1 hierarchy. Below that there is a level 2 hierarchy, and again below that there is level 3 hierarchy. So this network tree topology follows order of hierarchy. That's why this topology is also known as hierarchical network topology. What are merits of hybrid topology? First one is the hybrid topology is reliable. Here in hybrid topology, we can easily detect the fault, and if one of the node or link goes down, in that case it doesn't affect the rest of the network. So in that context, we can say this hybrid topology is reliable. Next point is hybrid topology is effective. Here, while designing hybrid topology, we have taken plus points of all topologies together. While integrating two or more topologies, we have integrated plus points only. We ignored negative points or the demerits of different topologies. So that's why this hybrid topology is effective. This hybrid topology is scalable. We can easily add number of new nodes there in hybrid topology in order to increase the area. Next point is hybrid topology is flexible. So this hybrid topology is flexible with respect to the addition of node or with respect to the deletion of node. Means hybrid topology is basically very open to changes. That's why this hybrid topology is flexible. And this hybrid topology is able to transmit data between different topologies. As we have seen that this hybrid topology is having ability to configure different type of topologies or different type of devices. This hybrid topology able to transmit data between different topologies either in a unidirectional flow or in a bidirectional flow with the help of wired or the wireless connection. Then let's have demerits of hybrid topology. First one is its complexity. This hybrid topology is complex to set up because in hybrid topologies we are setting number of different topologies. We are actually integrating different type of devices and different type of topologies together. That's why it is complex. Because of number of different devices and number of topologies, this hybrid topology is expensive to set up, and when it is expensive to set up, then it is again expensive to maintain that hybrid topology, because we have to maintain different type of devices, different type of topologies. We have to configure different type of topologies, devices, or we have to reconfigure these devices or networks number of times. So we stop here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.